Hi everyone, my name is Kiran. Today I'm going to show you how to set up WhatsApp account, especially business account guys, and it's not personal account. And WhatsApp business account, how to set up in Azure platform and in which scenarios we'll use it. Nowadays, you can see, and all companies are using WhatsApp. They are sending our reports as well as communication. And even some companies, sales, marketing people schedule the calls on WhatsApp video or calls accordingly, communicating and selling the products and even providing the services. So virtually everything and sending the campaigning SMS, and a lot of things. It's nowadays all companies are using the WhatsApp business account, and they are sending a lot of campaigning and interact with the customers, selling the products, and taking the quotation, and like a lot of things. A lot of things are going on, guys. So in this scenario, in Azure platform, how to set up WhatsApp business account in Azure platform. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and give the comments so that it's my channel also will reach to more people. Thank you very much. Let's jump into the this topic. In this, first of all, what we required. And first, this is a one in Azure platform we required to set up. We required communication services. There is a communication services is available, guys. First of all, we need to deploy the communication services. Click on this communication services, click on create, and very simple. And we can provide subscription, resource group, and resource name. What is a resource name you want? You can provide it, and which country you are going to use it accordingly. Asia Pacific, Australia, Europe, United Kingdom, UK, United States, America, and Africa, Brazil, Canada, France, Germany, India, Japan, Korea, Norway, Switzerland, UAE, United Arab Emirates. These are the countries is available, and resource name we can provide it, depends on your requirement, but it should be unique globally. It should be unique globally, guys. And what are the capabilities it's a providing? So a robust, it's a robust IP communication capabilities like video, voice, chat, and PSTN. That means mobile phone calling, and the capabilities, SMS, and everything. It's a possible. Everything in this possible. And next, tags and review and created. Very simple to deploy the this one. Right now, I'm getting the error. Why? Because of I'm not provide the any name here. Resource name I'm not provided. Already I deployed it. That's the reason. So let's go to the. I provide the name WhatsApp common, like it's a communication. So shortcut name wise, I provided. So click on this communication service. Once we click on, and we can see the right now data location is a United States because of I deployed in the United States. And especially this WhatsApp linking with the Azure platform, right now it's a preview state, and especially supporting Canada, United States, and one more countries are supporting. It's not for all the countries right now, and going forward we'll get it. So that is a beauty here right now. That's the reason I select the United States. So endpoint, this is a endpoint, my data channel endpoint here. These are over the internet publicly available, because of it's a not create any private endpoint or anything. It's over the internet communication wise. This is a pass service due to that. Okay, it's a location wise global. And coming to here, you can see build engaging communication experience at scale. Chat. So enrich app experience with the chat capabilities that strengthen real-time connections, telephony and SMS, voice and video calling, and emails also. Even bulk emails also we can send it, bulk SMS also we can send it, and calling also we can do it, and voice and video calling also. Even chat, we can send the SMS, we can receive the SMS also from customers. That way is available. Even we can integrate the conjugative services like chatbot or some other nowadays we are seeing any website is a almost all companies are using chatbots. The chatbot conjugative service also we can integrate it. So through conjugative services, we can manage it. we can manage these services. That is a beauty here. So coming to here, and especially first of all, I will show you what are the features here. Conjugative service, and you can see enable managed identity. So your conjugative service managed identity integrated here, and connect the conjugative services, and disconnect also it's a possible whenever required. So this is a option here available, guys. And push notification also will get it. That way is a push notification, we can do it. And we can maintain the secrets and keys from key vault. From that, this is a connection keys, its values, and the secondary key and primary key and endpoint. These are the values is providing any application or kind of your conjugative services. So we can, for integrating wise, we can use this case. Okay. And coming to telephone numbers, yes, we can maintain the all customer telephone numbers and ported with that. And for this, especially that particular country needs to be registered with the telecommunication vendor. So the documentation should be, and your current subscription is not eligible for public switched telephony network PSTN and SMS product. Why? Because of I need to do some regularity documents. So you can see here regularity, and create a new application. We should fill it and get the approvals, so that only it's a possible. And you can see application types in which country right now is the United States. That means America, Canada, and Rico, Puerto Rico. This is a one. It's available, guys. These phone numbers, associate the phone numbers, and company details we should provide it. And program content for this opt-in type is an interactive voice response or point of sale or website, proper paper form or others. So we should provide all the details, this documentation and volume, how many total SMS we are trying to send it per month, and the templates also. What is a example messages, message 1, message 2, message 3, like that it's available, guys. And this is a document and approve. After that, yes, we can maintain the all end users or customers, their phone numbers, and even alphanumeric sender ID wise also we can maintain, and short codes, and we can maintain direct routing. And how is the routing is a that is a one. It's also configure, set up the custom domain, our own company domain. We can set up it, and routing we can do it. You can see session border controller and voice routes and everything we can configure from this. As well as email we discuss. So that email domain, first of all we need to add it. And after connecting the email domain, yes, we can try to send the emails. So connect domain, whenever you click on connect domain, and we should provide the our email services and verify the domain. And after that it's a possible, guys. After that it's a possible. And coming to here, and we can see the channels we can integrate with the, we can integrate the WhatsApp channel. So here channels, and even we can maintain the WhatsApp channel related templates. Business users when is are trying to interactive, and the templates is a we can maintain here. But before that, this template, first of all we need to connect with the WhatsApp channel, and trying advanced messaging also we can do it. Let's see how to connect the WhatsApp channel. Click on connect, and you can see WhatsApp is available, and support the chat, SMS, your company dedicated WhatsApp phone number. Click on connect, and you can see the terms and conditions. And especially it's a saying that that has not been associated with the WhatsApp. This number not associated with the WhatsApp. It's a personal WhatsApp. It's a should be WhatsApp business platform account should be integrated. Okay, active WhatsApp business platform account, ability to send receive the SMS, active event subscription, SMS received, SMS delivery reports, event grid viewer. And it's a, this is the way it's available. And some other things we need to understand. So Europe region data boundary, this is a terms and conditions. WhatsApp data will follow the data handling policy, define meta terms. It's a Facebook meta, like company is a meta terms, which may not include the EU data boundary commitments, and support the data transfer also. And here once is a send it the data or WhatsApp, and after that it's a meta terms and the conditions is applicable. So that is a service level. It's a clearly saying that Azure Communication Service provider SLA, it's a customer as outlined in the Azure terms. Once data is transferred to WhatsApp, it will follow the service level detail in the meta terms only. It's a meta terms only, guys. What about support data transfer? Some support cases may require you authorized to transfer your data to Meta. Any data Microsoft collect will be handled according with the Microsoft Words terms. The Meta software, any data you provide the Meta authorized Microsoft to provide, Meta will be covered by Meta terms only. This is also we need to understand. And especially one more thing is a HIPAA. These are health industry standards. So especially this is a health industry standards, guys. Right now, WhatsApp service may not be is a HIPAA compliant. It may not have proper safeguards in the place to protect protected health information. This is a clearly saying that. So we need to understand, acknowledge that this one. After that, it will asking you to proceed it. Okay, click on next, and after that we can select it here. Bring your own phone number. Yes, I want bring my own phone number, and click on next, and log in with the Facebook. We can provide the phone number, and we can integrate the our WhatsApp business account here. So review also, after that it's a deploying for review, and once everything it's a completed, yes, we are integrate the WhatsApp business account here in Azure platform. We can able to send or receive, or it's a voice, video, so many it's a services is a supporting by Azure Communication Services, guys. And using that, we can reach out to the like your customers or your client. What I say is a business people can easily reach out to the their business products to customers, end users. They can easily reach out, and they can send the easy to send the bulk SMS, bulk emails, and we can maintain the template. We can integrate with the chatbot. So many things we are getting, guys. Even we can monitor this service, how it working and everything, and we can integrate with the log analytics workspace, as well as monitoring and metrics. Everything it's available, guys. So this is a totally I want to show up to all, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. If you are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and like and comment below. Thank you all.